My name is Charlie Randazzo, Professor of Electrical Technology at Johnson County Community College, and this is Commercial Wiring, ELTE 200. In commercial wiring, students continue to apply the fundamental skills learned from previous electrical classes. Here, they learn the installation methods that are specific to commercial occupancies, such as office buildings, restaurants, and other retail spaces. Students gain hands-on experience installing metal-clad cable through metal wall framing. They learn the techniques to bending and installing conduit, such as EMT and PVC. They also use commercial blueprints to plan and price the installation of an electrical system. Class activities are reinforced with best safety practices and adherence to the National Electrical Code. Students that are successful in this course will be prepared to work on most commercial construction sites.